Hi guys, I'll tell you what in the video. You know what we're talking about. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're new, thank you for being here. It's a pleasant pleasure to be here. So today we will be talking about the difference between editorial makeup and beauty makeup. Are you ready for this sauce? Are you ready for this juice? You're about to drop it like a spot. Okay, so with me, I'm just going to drop my opinion, what I think editorial makeup is and what I think beauty makeup is. So if your opinion doesn't suit in with what I'm going to tell you, I would like to hear it. So you would drop that comment in the comment section, okay? So that we can hear it, okay? So in my own terms, editorial makeup is simply the type of makeup that you do on fashion shows, fashion photography, makeup for video shoots, like dramatic makeup that involve you using a lot of accessories and stuff like that. Yes. So editorial makeup too can be be the type of makeup that you can use on billboards, entertainment arena and stuff, the kind of makeup that has this, so much art going on in the face, like too much, like a lot of dramatic stuff going on in the face. So that is what editorial makeup is. And beauty makeup, of course, is where I specialize in, whereby we do makeup for the bride, makeup for maybe you're going for an occasion and you just want to look simply glamorous. So that are the kind of makeup that I like, I love. I love to do with all my heart. You know what I'm talking about. So beauty makeup is a makeup that is like you look yourself, okay? It's a simple kind of glam that still make you look you. You can play around with eyeshadow colors, you can play around with lip colors just to, a little bit enhance your beauty. Yeah, so that's what I see beauty makeup to be. So me, in general, yeah, beauty makeup is the type of makeup that you do for brides, bridesmaids, engagements, wedding guests, birthday parties, depending on what you want as a person. That is how I see beauty makeup to be. So yes, I would like to hear what your own definition of beauty makeup is, what your own definition of editorial makeup is. In the comment section, let's interact. I want to know what you know about beauty makeup and editorial makeup. So that's about editorial and beauty makeup. Now guys, I want you to always watch out for my videos as I will be uploading every Thursday West African time, 7 p.m. So please always stay locked up. Always stay tuned to this channel every Thursday, 7 p.m. please. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like, share this video, comment, and above all, subscribe and turn on the post notification so that when I post the juice, you will be the first to see my juice. You know what I'm talking about. So yes, don't forget to like, subscribe, bang, 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 bang. You know what I'm talking about. Bye bye. So yeah, bye bye. See you in my next channel, in my next video.